Hey there, you doers. Today I want to talk to you about spices, not just any spice, but something I bought today called curry powder. And I bought this because one is organic and secondly it was on sale, so it caught my eye. I've actually never bought curry powder before, but it caught my eye today when I was shopping the grocery store. And when I looked in the back of it, I looked at all the ingredients. But first of all, I just want to share with you some of the things that I have under my spice cabinet that actually I don't really use very often. Some of them I do. The coriander, I started sometimes adding that to my food. It's a recent, something that I read about it. But turmeric is something as you can see, I often use. Garlic powder, ground cumin, ground cinnamon, ground ginger. That's another one I use quite often. Smoked paprika, crushed red pepper, and ground cloves. And one that's missing from here is the black pepper, which I usually add when I'm consuming turmeric because it helps with the absorption of the turmeric. And so today, as I said, I bought this organic curry powder. And what I discovered about organic curry powder is that when I look at the ingredients, it has organic coriander, turmeric, dried garlic, cumin, chili pepper, organic cinnamon, organic ginger, paprika, organic rice concentrate, organic red pepper, and organic cloves. So it has, in this bottle, all of these spices, which each on their own has benefits and different types of flavonoids, which are very helpful to your body in different situations. And again, I consume often turmeric and ginger, and I mentioned black pepper, otherwise known as piperine, that helps with the absorption of turmeric amongst other nutrients. So what excites me about finding this curry powder is that I get all these other spices in this bottle. It might be a little spicy for some people since it has chili peppers and some organic red pepper, but I think it would be an interesting addition to my food, including my eggs and other things that I eat and drink in the morning. So I look forward to trying this out, and I will continue to take my other spices as needed. And the coriander is another one that I just started to use. I really like the taste of coriander, actually. I haven't been using it regularly. These are my two main go-tos, along with some other spices. But I just wanted to share that with you. And actually interesting, looking in my spice cabinet, we already do have curry powder. And what's interesting about this curry powder is that it is slightly different ingredients. So I guess curry is made with different ingredients. This is coriander, fenugreek, turmeric, cumin, black pepper, bay leaves, celery seed, another great one, nutmeg, which is good, cloves, onion, which is great, red pepper, and ginger. So this is another great example, which is a different combination. And it has the turmeric, and it has the ginger, which I really like, and it has black pepper in it, which I noticed this one did not, but that's okay. I can add my own black pepper if I need to. It has organic chili peppers though. I guess it's getting its spiciness from different types of peppers. I'm guessing they're not putting it in there for the absorption, helping you to absorb the turmeric. They're putting it in there for the flavor, which is perfectly fine. And I like that it has onions in here as well. And the nutmeg is great as well. So really, maybe buy different types of curry powder and see what's in them. And if you like a little spiciness too and the taste of curry, I think this is a great way to add to your health journey. All right, you doers, stay healthy, stay safe. Look forward to the next time I talk to you. Please like and subscribe, and keep doing great things.